In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice in Speechify. To get started, open your browser and go to the Speechify website. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in so you can access your existing projects and audio files without any issues. This process is quick, and it's especially useful if you've already generated audio before and simply want to update the voice rather than start over from scratch. After you're on the site, head over to your library. This is where your previously created audio projects are stored. If you've made more than one project, take a moment to look through the list carefully so you can open the correct one. When you find the project you want to edit, click on it to open it. Before changing anything, review the project first to confirm that it's the right one. This is an important step because it helps you avoid making changes to the wrong audio file. You can quickly check the content and make sure everything matches what you expect before moving forward. Once you've confirmed you're in the correct project, look for the profile icon and click on it. This will open the available voice options. In that list, you'll see a selection of cloned celebrity-style voices that you can use for your project. Take your time here and choose the one that best fits the tone or style you want for your audio. When you've found the voice you want, simply click on it. Speechify will automatically apply that voice to your project. That means you don't need to manually save the change in this step, but it's still a good idea to listen back afterward to make sure the new voice sounds the way you want. And that's it. That's how to change the voice in Speechify quickly and easily.